guys, it's Maddie. Welcome back to Haven's Kitchen. Today we're making spice crusted lamb chops with golden tahini. So this recipe is super flavorful. We're crusting our juicy lamb in cumin and fennel. We have our golden turmeric tahini sauce that we'll be topping it off with, and then we're also adding fresh mint. If this recipe seems like something you'd like to try, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future recipes. All right, let's get started. We're using a grill pan today that's already heating up in the back, and we're gonna start off by getting our spices nice and blended. So we've got equal parts cumin and fennel seeds. We're gonna go ahead and blitz these in here. And then we'll cover our lamb chops in this spice mix and salt. I'm gonna just sprinkle my chops with some salt. These are at room temperature, so they've been tempered. And then I'm gonna sprinkle on my fennel and cumin. So I'm gonna go ahead and rub the spice blend into my lamb chops to make sure it's really sticking on there. All right, these are ready for the grill pan. All right, these chops are gorgeous. We're gonna plate now. We're gonna finish these off with a little bit of salt and then tared mint leaves for garnish. All right, our chops are ready to eat. Like I said, these are great with an herby rice or our sexy couscous. Let's eat them. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to like this video and subscribe to see our future videos. For the full recipe and textbook shopping list, click the link below. Thank you so much for watching and cook happy.